Hello guys, welcome back again to this very channel. um Today's strategy is based on volatility index. Okay, so today I'll be giving you guys a powerful strategy which will help you guys trade profitably well on all volatility index, be it volatility 50, 51s, 75, 1s, 100, and so on and so forth. This very strategy, it's the best strategy to use for any of the volatility index. Okay, it's a 99% accurate strategy. Now before I come to drop any strategy for you guys here, you know that strategy has been used and backtested before bringing it up to the public, and it has been confirmed that it is a very suitable strategy for volatility. That is why I am able to come and drop this very strategy for you guys. Okay, so please kindly do well to subscribe, like this video, so it will encourage me to do more, and also leave a nice comment on this very video. Okay, this is a new channel, so please guys, I want your support. I really need your support. Support me as I take my time to make these videos for those of us traders that are there that need assistance in trading, those that don't know how to trade on their own. I am a forex account manager and also a mentor in forex, so I just decided to dedicate my time to help some of those young and upcoming traders out there who can't trade on their own. So I make this strategy, but before I give you guys, I'll make sure I use it and I make profit from it first before I upload it for you guys. Okay, so please, the only way you can support me now is to subscribe, like this video, drop nice comments, and also do well to share. Okay, and I will be encouraged to do more and give you guys more strategies. Okay, all right, let's go straight to the video. So I'll start by explaining how the strategy works before I give you guys the setup for this very strategy. All right, okay. So as you can see on my screen, I'm having my volatility 51s. Let's start from this volatility 51s. Okay, and we are making use of the 15-minute time frame, and also we are to use the last zoom level. Okay, the smallest zoom level. That's what we are to be using on this video. All right, so these are the conditions to be met. You can see I took some trade earlier in the morning. Actually, I made a video, but the sound was not audible. It was bad, so I have to repeat again. You can see I took this trade earlier this morning. I just opened 5 positions and I made $55 from it. This very strategy. So here you can see where I took the trade, the opening and the closing. Although I went in very late because I woke up late, so I just had to rush so I can be able to drop this very video. So I came in late, although. So I took the trade here, and after I got a little profit, I have to close. So that I just use it to make this video for you guys. Okay, so here is actually the conditions to be met before we go in for this trade. As we all know, this is our indicator window 1 here. This is our indicator window 1. On our main chart, we don't have any we don't have anything on our main chart, so on our indicator window 1 here we have our stochastic and our moving average. Okay, so actually we need to get these confirmations before we go in for this trade. Okay, the first confirmation we need to get here, the first confirmation should be the stochastic, which is the red line, crossing above the level 10. You can see it crosses above. It was coming up above the level 10. And second confirmation should be the moving average crossing across the stochastic. You can see where the cross is here at level 10. The moving average and stochastic crosses between each other at this region here. that is where we have our confirmation. Okay, as you can see from that very point here on the main chart, you can see, look at where the entry started, and you can see the buy. You can see our buy, and look at where I took the trade at this very point. You can see our buy from here. I took the trade at this very point and I closed at this very point. Okay, and you can see the market is still going up despite we have retracements. It's still going up, and that is why we have our TP here, our take profits. I said earlier that the take profits, once the stochastic gets to the take profits, you can exit the trade, and you can see that was around this very point. So around the very point, you can see from here to this very point, you know how much you're making, because this is a 15-minute time frame. You know how much you're going to get from that very trade. Just this little one I opened here with 5 positions with 0.02, I got $55. So imagine you holding this trade from this very point up till your take profit at this very point. You know how much you'll be getting from this strategy. All depends on your lot size and your account size. Okay, like I said, if you have no small accounts, once you get your take profit, please do well to close and wait for another entry. But if you're having a huge account, you can hold the position up until it gets to our 1190. The trade is still going up. It's still going up despite retracements, all those for setbacks and the rest pullbacks. This trade is still going up. Okay, so let's check out our previous entries and see how accurate it is. Remember, this strategy is used for buy and sell, for both buy and sell. Okay, so that is for the buy. Here we had the sell signal. Here you can see a sell entry. That same condition should be met, but in this case the opposite, the reverse, where the stochastic should be crossing down below the level 90 and the moving average crossing between it. You can see here, this is where they have the entry took place. You can see at this very point, and from our main charts you can see it's sold down all the way. Like I said, it's still going to sell. That's what it's doing. The first entry I showed you guys, you can see when it got to this very stage, it started retracing and going up and down, but it's still sold. That is the same thing. That is the same thing it's going to do at this very point. Now let's observe and see. To do the same thing at this very point. Okay, so if you're having a huge account, you can hold. But if you're having a small account, once it gets to this point, at this point was our take profit. This point was our take profit. You can see our take profit was at this point. Okay, at this point. Okay, so at this point should be your take profit. Small account, you can close here. For a huge account, you can still hold your position, and make sure you set your stop loss. Your stop loss should be at this very top here, where the reversal started. That's where your stop loss should be. Okay, all right, let's check out another. Okay, here we had another entry. You can see it must be a confirmation, guys. It should be a confirmation. This crossing must occur here between the stochastic and the moving average. They must have this crossing above the level 10. Okay, and you can see the market went all up all the way to this very point. So like I said, it works perfectly for all volatility index, So I don't take much of your time. I need to hurry up and close. Okay, so like I said, you must always backtest on your demo account before trading on your live account. Okay, you must always do that. And for confirmation, you can see at that very point where we had our confirmation, you can see even though I move the screen from end to end, the confirmation still remains. That is what we call confirmation. You can see all the confirmation. If I move from end to end, it's still at that same point. It's still at that same point, not something like this where you move and it starts shaking. Okay, not something like this. Let's look for a clear one. Not something like this very point here. You can see this very point where you move and it starts shaking or something. No, you must wait for a good and clear confirmation that even if you drag the screen from end to end, it still remain. Okay, like this very one now, you can see as I move, it went off. Okay, no, that is not a confirmation. Okay, it might end up blowing your accounts if you're not careful. So let's just check it on VIX 75, and I round up immediately to save time. Okay, you can see the same conditions that are to be met for the buy. You can see here the same condition was met, the crossing at around this level 10. You can see if I move the screen, it's still at that same point. That's a good confirmation. Okay, that's a good confirmation. That's what you should be looking out for. Even though I move the screen, it's still at that very point. Sorry. It's still at that very point. Okay. Sorry guys, I mistakenly tapped on this screen settings. Okay, so sorry, I immediately tapped on my screen settings. So like I said, that was that one is the confirmation. The confirmation here again, where we have the sell. So we had the sell trend, you can see, and it sold all the way from this very point down to this very point. You can see our take profit should be around here. Our take profit should be around this level. You can see around this level should be our take profit. And remember, it's a 15-minute time frame. So if you see little profits, you can exit the trade and don't be greedy. Greed is one of the things that kills us most, so don't be greedy. All right, before I show you guys the setup, I just want to make a quick reminder for those that are interested, that need account management services, VIP signals, mentorship programs, and also investment plans. You can do well to message me. You can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. Okay, so I also had to create a free signal group. Like I said, it's a new channel. Okay, I just want to help. I created a free signal group. You can see here's a free signal group which I created today. I dropped free signal, okay, and also the profits from each of the signal. You can see I dropped free signal. This is actually today's trade. I drop free signal, and I'll also drop the profits from each of the signal, so you confirm it's accurate. Okay, so to join this signal group, the link is on this video's description. Just click on the description, you'll see the link to the to this very group. Okay, I will also try to create a Telegram free signal group also, where you can also join and get free signals every day, and also check out other services which we offer. Okay, so do well to message me if you need any of our services. And here are the setup for this very video. The stochastic, we have our K period to be 60, our D period should be 1, slowing should be 1, our price should be close, our methods to be exponential. You can see our styles, the green and red. Their levels are level 10, 90, and 50. All right, then our moving average, our period should be 10, shift 0, exponential applied to close. Then the style is 4 pixel of black. All right, so these are the powerful setup for this very strategy. Do well to subscribe if you're still new, because I know everyone is still new. So do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so you'll be the first to receive every strategy I'll be dropping on this channel. And like this video, drop a comment to encourage me to do more. Don't forget to message us if you need any of our services. Thanks for watching this very video. See you again next time with another powerful strategy.